Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter slime without glue or activator. We'll explore two popular methods, one using cornstarch and another using air-dry clay. You'll learn the specific ingredients and steps for each, ensuring you can create a wonderfully soft and spreadable slime at home. Finally, we'll compare the results to help you decide which technique is best for your desired texture. To make butter slime with cornstarch, start by mixing about 1 cup of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of lotion and 1 tablespoon of baby oil. Gradually add more lotion or oil, a teaspoon at a time, until the mixture comes together. Knead it well for several minutes until it's smooth and pliable. You can add a few drops of food coloring for a fun pop of color. For the clay method, begin with a block of soft air-dry clay. Gradually work in about 2 tablespoons of lotion or hair conditioner, kneading it thoroughly. Add a teaspoon of baby oil to reduce stickiness and improve the texture. Continue kneading until the clay is smooth, stretchy, and resembles the consistency of soft butter. This method creates a denser, more moldable slime. Both methods create unique butter slimes without glue or activator. The cornstarch version tends to be softer and more spreadable, offering a classic slime experience. The clay method results in a denser, more dough-like slime that's excellent for sculpting and holding its shape. Your preference depends on whether you desire a very stretchy, gooey slime or a firmer, moldable one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.